What's up, Moto fans? Michael here at Moto Machines, and today we're going over the Hepco Becker Lamp Guard for the Triumph Tiger 900. Now, this lamp guard is incredibly easy to install, but we're going to walk you through it, so don't worry. Make sure you stay tuned for that, and with all that being said, let's dive in. You should be considering a headlamp guard if you plan on taking your motorcycle off-road. Between the brush, your buddy rooster tailing you, or all the drops, because let's face it, we're not all pro riders, they're gonna happen. It just makes sense to protect that very expensive headlight unit. The same can be said for on-road too. You'd protect your radiator, why not protect that headlight? It would work the same as the radiator guard, just providing a barrier between cars, throwing stuff up at you, because I don't know if you have, but I've been hit by a rock and that hurts. And I don't want a rock punching a hole in my headlight. Now, we said we'd get this thing installed for you, so let's head on outside and get that sucker on the bike. As you can see, installation of the lamp guard was as easy as I said it was going to be. It really is just 2 bolts, but we're going to go over a thing or two to make your life a little bit easier. The first being, you probably noticed that we had the lamp guard installed on the right side of the bike while we showcased the left. Basically, all we did there was take the OEM bolt, put it through the lamp guard, and thread it into the bike a couple times just to hold the lamp guard in place while we installed the left side. The next is Loctite. It's your friend. Use it. No, seriously, use the Loctite. You want to Loctite any aftermarket part that you put on your motorcycle. That way the bolt doesn't unthread itself and you lose your aftermarket part. That's all we have for you today. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for future Moto Machines madness. And head on over to our website, motomachines.com, to see if you can find a lamp guard available for your make and model. With all that being said, ride safe.